Hey there, future mourners and fellow viewers! Here's to another exciting episode of our vlog. This is not just another day, guys. It is yet another chance to make your dreams come true. So get up and get started. This is Rain and welcome back to my channel. So for today's ganap, guys, now let's take a house tour where we can find your perfect match. Yeah, perfect match. Sa maragod nga nangita kag perfect partner in life, guys, na para ka lang naghahanap ng kasosyo sa buhay na kapaki-pakinabang at makabaluhan. Char. Kumbaga guys ba, paano kayo magiging together kung hindi ka naman gumagawa ng paraan ng pangs together? Aw, galit yarn. Okay, enough na ang mga hugot, guys. Focus na focus kay mamaligya patagbalay. So guys, this is one of the amenities inside the subdivision. Because your children's happiness matter, our subdivision have created dedicated play areas for kids. Syempre guys, may stimulate diha ang ilang creativity and of course, may increase ilang confidence labi na sa pag-interact with other kids. And now guys, I'm super excited to show and to give you a tour. So here it is. So this unit guys now has a carport area. So this can serve as a sheltered area and a parking space for your car. Aron po guys maprotektahan og dili ma-expose ang inyong tanang vehicles sa masasamang elemento. Oh, nganong murag naabot na magug horror ani? Charling bitaw. So guys, this is called a wood plastic composite. No, it is widely used in the outdoor decking floors, fences, and outdoor landscape. It is made from a unique combination of plastic and wood. Therefore, I conclude no, lakas talaga maka-attract outside area of the house. Now guys, let's start with the heart of a home, the living area. So as you can see guys, no, this couch can be a charming addition in this living area. However, without a perfect wall, dili mo makita ang full potential labi na if mabutangan na ni nindot nga furnitures. I tell you, it will blend nicely. So guys, this is called a cove light. It is used as a primary lighting. So as you can see no, the light is directed towards the ceiling. Ang iyang lighting fixtures guys no kay naka-concealed and it really works and looks super nice. Ja kabongga. So this is a wood modern TV console with storage and drawers na may konting artistic wall panel design and pattern. And now let's move to our favorite relaxation spot. Okay guys, when it comes to the square footage of this room, no, it has 2.5 meters long and 2 meters wide and with a total room area of 5 square meters. And now let's proceed to the bedroom number 2. So as you can see guys, no, naka-rectangular form ang iyang room area. And this room has a total floor area of 6 square meters. And now, let's take a look at one of the essential areas of any home, the bathroom. Kaway-kaway sa lahat ng mga professional bathroom singers dyan. Now guys, let's step into the master's bedroom. This is considered the primary and the very core of every home, guys. So as compared to the other room in the house, no, the other rooms are smaller and do not have additional features. Hindi kayo ang color sa cabinet, guys. It evokes feelings of elegance, power, and sophistication. Char! By the way, guys, since this is a master's bedroom, no, naa siya own private bath. O diba? So kaning part guys, no, nag-request yung si client na magpabutang siya ag bar counter. Whether you're hosting a party, game night, or having friends, this home bar is an ideal place to entertain guests. And now guys, let's step into the kitchen area. So this is a wall-mounted folding table guys. Ja, lakas maka all white. Kahamis ugo itat sa murag ako. Char. Well, that's all we have for you today. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment or contact me at the number below. And also guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel at Rainfest. Happy investing! And remember, your dream property might just be around the corner. See you next time. Ciao!